friends, and welcome back to another video. I have to tell you, ever since we planted all these flowers in my garden, we have so many beautiful birds, and we have a canary that literally just like loves hanging out with us. And every time I come out here, he's in the one tree, then he goes from tree to tree, and it's just like, I don't know, it's just like a wonderful way to come out here and to be greeted by nature. So I'm loving our new family member. But anyway, how are you all doing? I hope you're doing well and enjoying the spring season. I can't believe it's going to be summer here before you know it. And this morning when I was getting ready to make some, well, I can't even say because you're going to know. Okay. Anyway, this morning I was doing something and it made me think about, real quick, popped into my brain, about how I get excited about summer. But what are the two things when I think about summer foods that immediately pop into my brain? And I thought, well, this will be such a fun question to ask all of you. So when you think of the word summer, I want you to stop this video real quick and go to the comment section and put down what your favorite foods, when you think of summer, immediately what they are. So stop this video and put them in the comment section, but be sure you come back. Because every time I think of summer, why it is these two, and maybe it's because it's how I grew up and it was part of my summer in our household as young children and growing up, and then I continued and carried on as I was an adult and had my family. So anyway, let me know. I cannot wait to read all the comments. But I think because of that, we're going to do that today. Well, the one I already started, but we're going to do that today. And just because it feels like summer, it's going to be in the 90s today, hence why my hair is up, though it's supposed to cool down a little bit. And if it's breezy, I apologize. I'm using my phone and the microphone, I can't really quite cover it from breeze, so I hope it's not too loud for all of you. Anyway, so I've got a lot in store. Also, I've got something I want to share with you that we will be adding on to the patio. Mark and I discussed it last year, and we thought it was really something that we wanted and thought would be necessary. So I can't wait to see how it looks. As you can see, this is the base to a brand new umbrella, and wait till you see where we're putting it. I would like to thank Lowe's for partnering with me on this portion of today's video. Wow, this 11-foot gray no-tilt cantilever patio umbrella is beautiful. Well, I can tell you this was so easy to put together. Mark is going to take off all the plastic here, and wow, I'll tell you what, it really gives our patio a nice coverage. So I'm going to show you once everything's put together. This is our older one, and here's the new one. This is exactly what we wanted. Oh my goodness. Okay friends, look at how pretty this looks. It is just perfect. I feel like, I don't know, it just brings everything in, even though I feel like the patio even looks bigger for some reason. I know that might seem a little bit odd, but let me go back here. And so this is our old one, and then this is our new umbrella, and oh my gosh, I just love it. And now I can sit here too because we get full sunshine back here. And it gets so super hot, so a lot of times I have to sit here on the loungers. So this is just perfect. And so tonight Mark and I are going to sit out here and just watch a little TV. Good morning, my sweet friends. Well, Archie and I are here to say happy Wednesday, and I'm going to head out here to go pick up my mom. She's got a doctor appointment. And then I thought maybe I'll take her somewhere that we can sit outside and enjoy maybe a little muffin or something like that and a cup of coffee. So I'm thinking we're gonna do that. And then this afternoon, Mark gets ready to leave on his golf trip. So I'm gonna be getting all the groceries and getting everything set up for him. So he'll be all set and get all his yummies for the trip. And then what? Oh yeah, I picked up You know how much I love my Puras, the plugins, but I got one for the car, so I'm curious to see how this works. I've tried so many different things for the car, and I love the Pura, and this is so sleek and pretty, so I thought this will be nice. And I can't remember the scent that I picked out. I'll have to share it with you. So I'm gonna go jump in my car and get this one all set up, pick up my mom, take her to the doctor, and then we're gonna enjoy a morning cup of coffee and a muffin somewhere. Morning, friends. Well, this is a quick transition from yesterday till today. So let me tell you what happened. So as you saw, I was out to breakfast with my mom, and as I was sitting there, I said, Ma, I said, oh my gosh, everything is spinning right now. Like, everything is spinning. I said, oh my gosh. And she's like, well, honey girl, like, are you okay? I was like, I don't know. I said, I just don't know. And I had the same episode the day prior, and it lasted about 10 minutes. And I was like, wow, this is weird. And I thought at the time is because I was sitting outside. Well, you know, maybe it was hot or something like that. I got too hot. So, of course, we were sitting outside yesterday morning for breakfast, and I thought, oh my gosh, you know, what is this? So we're sitting there, and it was like 10, 15 minutes, and everything was getting like, was blurry. So I said, Mom, I said, I don't think I can even walk. And I surely am not gonna get in a car and drive you home. So I called Mark, and and he didn't answer. I texted Mark, didn't answer. I'm like, oh my gosh, he must be in a meeting. So I called his secretary. I'm like, please tell him he needs to call me. I said, I am so dizzy right now. So within seconds, she went into his office, and she's like, excuse me, you need to call Karen. So he calls, and I'm like, I literally, like, I'm so dizzy. It's been going on for like 15 minutes or more. And I said, I can't walk. I don't know what I'm gonna do. So anyway, he came, and he grabbed my mom, like, to help her to the car, and I'm walking, and he's like looking back at me, and I'm literally, you guys, I could barely walk straight at all. So he's like, oh my gosh. So he's helping me into the car. So he drops off my mom, and he goes, I'm taking you right to the doctor. I'm like, I was just there with my mom. I said, this is like embarrassing. And he's like, no, this is ridiculous. I said, please just take me home. I'm sure I'll be fine. Yesterday it happened. He goes, it happened yesterday? You didn't tell me. I said, well, because it was like 10, 15 minutes long. I forgot about it. So, and he's like, no, I'm taking you to the doctor. So I walk in, and lo and behold, one of the doctors saw me, and he explained what it is. And it's some kind of a viral vertigo. And so, from everything he checked, so he prescribed some meds, and, came home, and I laid on the couch, and you guys, this dizziness lasted for quite a long time. Like, I felt like a few hours. And they gave me the medicine, but unfortunately, the one medicine makes me so fatigued. He told me it would, but because he's not like my normal doctor, I don't think he realizes that even like a Sudafed or a Claritin D, which is not supposed to make you drowsy, like the non-drowsy ones, make me extremely like out of it. So I yesterday was like completely out of it. I mean, I could not stand the way I was feeling. So actually waiting to talk to the pharmacist doctor and doctor today to say, can I lessen one of these, because I can't walk around like a zombie for the next few days. I just can't do it. So anyway, I'm waiting to find that out. But in the meantime, while I'm feeling good and not like a zombie, I hurry up and showered this morning, and I do want to make something. I've been so much craving. Oh yeah, so you're probably wondering what the other thing is that I say when I think of summer, I immediately think of. And actually, I mentioned it to my mom yesterday, and it's macaroni salad. It's my mom's family recipe macaroni salad. It's nothing fancy. It's nothing any probably different than any of you have ever made before, but I'm going to make that this morning because I am so much in the mood for it. And of course, the other thing is I love iced tea. So I made yesterday was it yesterday? Oh, it was the day before. I made some sun tea, the peach though this time. And I love iced tea, love it. And I've really gotten out of the habit of any sugar, so I just drink it without any. So we're gonna go ahead, while I'm feeling good this morning, and I know I should probably be laying down and resting, but you know, if I get dizzy, I'm right here, I can just lay down. But hopefully this is gonna be something that's gonna pass on by, we'll see. I am such in a mood for macaroni salad, so we're gonna go ahead on in and make it. But in the meantime too, I'm gonna try as much as I can to enjoy this absolutely beautiful day out here, and hope no episodes. And I mean, this is real life, friends, so yeah, that's what's happening right now. But while I'm good, let's get in the kitchen. Okay, I've got quite the mess behind me. I want to get some cleaning done. In the meantime, let's try out my mom's macaroni salad recipe. This, to me, is summer in a bowl. I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of my macaroni salad, and I suggest you all go get whatever it is that you love so much, reminds you of the summer season, because friends, it's here. Let's enjoy it. Well, my sweet friends, I'm gonna go ahead and call this a video, just due to the fact that per doctor's orders, I'm really supposed to be resting a little bit. So I just took my medication with my peach iced tea here, and I'm just going to enjoy this beautiful day out here on our patio. I've got the TV on, and of course I love our new umbrella. This is a game changer, truly is. It just well, it keeps all the sun from the afternoon from beaming on this area of our patio. I just feel like I'm in a little, I don't know, just a little covered patio, just because of the two umbrellas, and I love it. So I'm going to share all the information for you guys in the description section. And I want to thank Lowe's too, because I have partnered up with Lowe's with my umbrella, and I'm so thrilled with it. So all the details, and I know they have a big sale going on this month, so you guys might want to check that out, actually, for the Memorial Day sale. So this is the perfect time to get on all those lovely things, and I know I've got still a few more things on my wish list. So I'm going to be looking at those deals, because I do want to add some more cushions and different things like that out to our patio, and this is the perfect time to do it. And if you hung around my video this long, you're here to find out what this week's emoji is in word, and it is macaroni. So you can use the pasta emoji, but the word is macaroni. Thank you for hanging in with me. Say a prayer that this dizziness, this little spell, is just very temporary. I just really want to be able to get out there and do some things. So, but right now I'm just going to take it easy and enjoy my summer in a bowl, and enjoy my lovely sun tea, peach tea, and read a new book, which I'm going to share with all of you in my next vlog. Also on Sunday's vlog, I'm going to share with you more about my giveaway. I'm just starting to feel a little bit tired right now, so I don't want to screw anything up. So I want to make sure when I am sharing all the details that I'm in the right frame of mind. But anyway, and don't forget to, if you have not already signed up for my newsletter, to please do so, and follow me on all my social medias, because I'm trying to post everywhere, just so that well, wherever you're scrolling, you'll be able to find me. Love you all, and we'll see you next time. Bye.